Hey coffee lovers, today we are checking out the Capresso Infinity plus Conical Burr grinder. This commercial-grade grinder uses a gear reduction motor to preserve maximum aroma. It operates at slow speeds under 450 RPM for high-precision grinding. You get 16 different fineness settings ranging from Turkish fine to percolator coarse. The clear bean container holds up to 11 ounces of whole coffee beans. A convenient cup selector lets you grind the exact amount you need for 1 to 12 cups. Experience the best tasting coffee at home with fresh grounds every single day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.